Okay, we've sanded down our head real good. Gave it a real good final sanding. So what we want to do now is we want to work on this mouth area. So we have the mouth here, and we're going to attach our hinge to it. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the comment section. I'll answer you. And you want to center your hinge here. Now this is one of the most important steps because you want to make sure everything's working right with this mouth before you get everything sealed up. So I know I'm going to have to make a lot of adjustments on it before I can move on to the next step. This one down. So we got that on there. So now what we want to do is we're going to take our 3/4 inch piece of wood that we cut. And we want to get that attached. And this is just a little bit wider than the mouth. I gotta put the other screw in here, but you can see this is how this is going to work as far as opening and closing the mouth. Then this is going to get screwed onto the inside of the head. So let me find the screw I dropped and then we'll be back. Thanks for watching.